Now we're going to open the LEGO Federation and run through the two navigation methods, turntable and helicopter. The default navigation mode is the turntable, where we click, hold and drag to rotate the model in front of us. Scrolling the mouse wheel zooms into or away from the model. Clicking the mouse wheel and moving the mouse pans around the model. Holding down right click and moving the mouse has a similar zoom effect to scrolling the mouse wheel, but the zoom is toward the center of the screen instead of toward the mouse cursor. We can change navigation mode from turntable to heli by clicking the navigation mode button in the lower toolbar. The heli navigation mode emulates a helicopter. Click and drag to go forward or back, left or right. Scrolling the mouse wheel turns the view upward or downward. Clicking the mouse wheel and moving the mouse moves the viewpoint up, down, left or right. While in heli mode, we can click the navigation mode button and then click the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the heli speed. We can click the reset button above the plus and minus button to quickly reset the heli speed to its original value. The heli is easier to control when its speed is lower. It is easy to switch between heli and turntable modes by clicking the navigation mode button, and we can return the view to the original full view by clicking the extend button.